How's it going, guys? I thought it might be fun to bring you along with us on a short dim sum adventure today. If you're not all that familiar with this type of food, I'll give you some pointers on what to order, and hopefully I can teach you something in this quick video. A good dim sum restaurant will have a ton of items on the menu, and most things are between $3 and $8 US. When it comes to chili oil, I always check to see what's in it. This one is pretty straightforward. The really good ones might have fermented black beans and sesame seeds. Put this on everything. This is called chiang fun. It's delicious. We used to make these in my old restaurant in a special steamer box with scallions and cilantro. It's basically a big fresh noodle wrapped around a Chinese donut. It's fantastic. This is a really popular bun called char siu bao. You've probably seen it before. It's steamed and it has Chinese barbecue roast pork inside. I sometimes will judge a restaurant on how good their char siu bao are. Drop us a comment below if you can guess what this fried ball is. These little gems are called ha gao, basically a shrimp dumpling with a rice flour skin. The dumpling should have around 10 pleats if the place is legit. The chi ma bao, or sesame ball. It's fried, it's crunchy and sweet. It's perfect. This last guy is called bo lo bao, or pineapple bun. It's filled with a sweet pineapple custard and is perfect to end the meal with. We sincerely hope that you found this video interesting and informative. Please subscribe if you haven't already.